Hey guys, today our topic is hardware of mobile. What is hardware of mobile? Main article Mobile phone future we will study. A mobile phone feature is a capability, service or application that a mobile phone offers to its users. Mobile phones are often referred to as feature phones and offer basic telephony handset with more advanced computing ability through the use of native code try to defend their own product. The common components found on all mobile phones are a central processing unit. Number one, a central processing unit (CPU). The processor of phones. The CPU is a microprocessor. What is microprocessor? A microprocessor is a computer processor where the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of integrated circuits. The microprocessor contains the arithmetic logic and control circuitry required to perform the function of a computer central processes. Fabricated on a metal oxide semiconductor. What is metal oxide semiconductor? It is a type of field effect transistor control the most common tool to control oxidation of silicon. It has an insulated gate, the voltage of which determines the conductivity of the device. MOC integrated circuit chip (IC). Number two, a battery. A battery providing the power surface of for the phone function. A modern handset typically use a lithium-ion battery. What is lithium-ion battery? Lithium-ion battery is the type of rechargeable battery which uses the reversible reduction of lithium ions to store energy. The anode of conventional lithium-ion cell is typically graphite made from carbon. The cathode is typically a metal oxide (Lib), whereas older handsets use nickel metal hydride (NiMH) battery. Number three, an input mechanism to allow to user to interact with the phone. They are keypad, feature phone and touch screen. For the most smartphones typically with a capacitive sensing. A display. Number four, a display. What is display? A display device is an output device for presentation of information in visual or tactile form, which echoes the user typing and displays text messages, contact, and more. The display is typically either a liquid crystal display (LCD) or organic light emitting diode (OLED) display. Number five, speaker. Speaker for sound. What is speaker? A loudspeaker is an trans- electrostatic transistor that convert an electrical audio signals into corresponding sound. A speaker system, also often simply referred to as a speaker or loudspeaker, comprises one or more such speaker drivers, an enclosure, and electrical for a sound. Number seven, subscribe and identify module. SIM card and removable user identify module or UIM card. A SIM card. A SIM card is an integrated circuit. A SIM card is an integrated circuit identified to security store international mobile subscribe identify IMSI number and its related key, which are used to identify and authenticate subscribers on mobile telephony device. Technically, the actual physical card is known as Universal Integrated Circuit. Then, hardware. A hardware notified LED on some phones. A notification LED. A notification LED is a small RGB or monochrome LED light usually present on the front-facing screen bezel of smartphone and feature phones whose purpose is to blink or flash to notify the phone user of missed calls, pulse to notify the phone user missed calls, incoming SMS messages, notification from other app and low warning etc. Low-end mobile phones are often referred to feature phones and basic of a telephony handset with more advanced computing ability through the use of native software applications are known as smartphone. Central processing unit. Mobile phones have a central processing unit. What is central processing unit? A central processing unit, also called central processor, main processor, or just processor, is the electronic circuit that executes instructions in a computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic logic controlling an input-output operator specified by the user. Similar to those in computers, both optimized to operate in low-power environments, mobile CPU performance depends not only on the clock rate but also on the greatly affect overall performance because these problems the performance mobile phone CPU is often more appropriately given by scores derived from various standardized tests to measure the real effective performance in commonly used applications. The topic is end. Hardware, hardware, hardware topic is end. Then you will like my channels and subscribe my channel. Also, thank you. Allah Hafiz.